I. Let's find the value of x in this equation. Solution. Okay, first we are given 20 divided by 8 raised to power x equals 4 raised to power x. Now we can put here as over 1 and then cross multiply. Okay, we can cross multiply. So that we have 8 raised to power x multiplied by 4 raised to power x is equal to 20. That is in the left hand side. Okay, so I will have 2 raised to power 3 all multiplied by x is equal to 8 raised to power x. Then 2 raised to power 2 x is equal to 4 raised to power x from let's say b, from b raised to power x all raised to power y, which is b raised to power xy. Okay, this is a law and indices. Alright, so let's substitute these 2 and 3 back here. So I'll have 2 raised to power 3x multiplied by 2 raised to power 2x. This will give us 20. Similarly, when you have b raised to power x multiplied by b raised to power y, and then this is the same as b raised to power x plus y. Okay, since they have the same base, this is 2, this is 2. Okay, so we are going to have 2 raised to power 3x plus 2x. This will give us 20. So that 2 raised to power 5x, that is applying this rule, is equal to 20. Okay, 2 raised to power 5x is equal to 20. So we are going to take the log of both sides. Alright, so we have here 2 raised to power 5x is 20. Take the logarithm of both sides. Okay, so when we take the log of both sides, you have log 2 raised to power 5x, okay, is equal to log 20. Recall also that when you have log m base b, then this m raised to power x will be equal to x log m base b. Okay, good. So log 2 raised to power 5x will be 5x log 2. Okay, so we now have 5x log 2 is equals to the right hand side, which is log 20. Alright, let's divide through here by log 2. Alright, so I can have 5x log 2. This will give me log 20 all divided by log 2. Alright, so this can now cancel and we have here 5x, okay, is equals to log 20 will be equal to log 20 divided by log 2. Alright, but 20 can also be expressed as 4 multiplied by 5. Alright, so we can have 5x is equal to log bracket 4 times 5, then divided by log 2. Alright, now recall if you have log bracket a dot b is same as ln log a plus log b. Okay, so let's apply it in the numerator. We can have 5x is equals to log a, that is log 4, plus log 5, all divided by log 2. From the other side, we had log 5, all divided by log 2. Similarly, 4 is same as 2 raised to power 2. So we can still have 5x is equals to log 2 raised to power 2. Okay, plus log 5 divided by log 2. Good. So I can have here 5x equals applying that rule. So this thing is same as 2 log 2 plus log 5 all divided by log 2. This is same as 2 log 2 divided by log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2. That is, when you simplify this fraction, it's still same as this. Okay, good. So this can now cancel. Then we have 5x is equal to 2 plus, okay, log 5 divided by log 2. Good. Now, from change of base, when you have log a divided by log b is same as log a base b. Good. So let's apply it here. We can have 5x is equal to 2 plus all in log 5 base 2. Right? Good. Now divide through by 5 so that we can easily find the value of x. So we have 5x over 5 is equals to 2 plus log 5 base 2 all divided by 5. This can now go. Therefore, the value of x is equals to 2 plus log 5 base 2 all divided by 5. So this is the value of x. Good. This is the value of x. Now let's check. Check. We have here, from this part, we are going to consider from 8 raised to power x multiplied by 4 raised to power x. Okay? So we have given 20 over 8x equals 4 raised to power x, which is equivalent to 8 raised to power x dot 4 raised to power x equals 20. And we simplified it to have 2 raised to power 5 from here now. Okay? From this part, where we have 2 raised to power 5x equals 20. We don't want to express back this. So let's just start from here now. Okay? Now, but 2 raised to power 5x is equal to this 20. Good. Now substituting the value of x, so let's substitute the value of x. Remember, this is the value of x. So we're going to substitute it here. I will have 2 raised to power 5 or raised to power x is 2 plus log 5 base 2 all divided by 5. Is it equal to 20? Okay. So if you notice, this 5 can cancel this 5. So we now have 2 raised to power bracket 2 plus log 5 base 2. Okay. Is it equal to 20? Good. So, but When you have a raised to power m dot a raised to power n is same as a raised to power m plus n. So this part now is in the form of this. So we are going to take 2 raised to power 2 to be a raised to power m, 2 raised to power log 5 over 2 to be a raised to power n. So I can have 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 5 base 2. Will it give us 20? Alright, so let's proceed. Now 2 raised to power 2 is 4. Now 2 raised to power 2 is 4 multiplied by, when you have 2 raised to power log 5 base 2, it will give us 5. Okay? So will it give us 20? Now here, note 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 is in the form of, okay, a raised to power log b base a, which is what? B. So that is what I have done here. So that's why we have 5. Okay? So 4 times 5 is equal to 20. So left hand side is 20, which is this side. We have right hand side is correct. So left hand side is also correct. Therefore, the value of x, which is x equals 2 plus log 5 base 2 divided by 5, is absolutely correct. Thank you for watching. In the next example, please share your answer and show me the shortest way that you have solved this problem. Quick recap. 20 divided by 8 raised to power x equals 4 raised to power x. Just simply cross multiply and you have this. Express this in base 2 and you have 2 raised to power 5x equals 20. Then take the logarithm of both sides and apply various laws of logarithm. You have 5x equals log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 2. Then proceed to solve while applying various roots. You now have x as 2 plus log 5 divided. You now have x as 2 plus log 5 base 2 all divided by 5. Now check by substituting the value of x. You still observe that left hand side, which is 20, is also right hand side, which is 20. Okay, thank you once again.